A little bit of skip rolling in this morning, not much though, she's pretty quiet. Yeah, as you can see, she's pretty quiet this morning. I don't know what FM's like. Getting a lot of bleed over from Super Bowl 6 AM. Yeah, she's pretty quiet. Even on the FM, we've just been given permission finally, aren't we lucky here in Australia to actually run FM 27 megahertz 11 metre. How nice of them to finally let us allow to have that. Yeah, she's quiet.